California condors are both North America's largest and most endangered bird. In the late 1800s, naturalists were already making note of the California condor's declining numbers, and in 1967, at a population size of 60, they became the first ever officially listed endangered species. Despite this protection, their population continued to decrease and dropped to a low of 22 individuals in 1982. All wild condors were then trapped and placed in captive breeding programs in an effort to save the species from extinction. Since reintroduction, California condor numbers in the wild have slowly increased thanks to wild nesting and the release of captive-bred condors. However, condors today are still dying due to threats like lead poisoning, consumption of litter and microtrash, and electrocution from power poles.